manna. Somebody pick up your manna. Don't worry about how it fell on the ground. Hey, don't worry about how dirty it is. Don't worry about what is happening. Why is it on the floor? Somebody pick up your manna. It is God who rained it down. It is God. Ah, my God. Maybe your way to that better house, it is through that shack. Pick up your manna. Maybe your way to that double story, it is through that one room. Pick up your manna. Maybe your way to that beautiful big car, it is through that Uno. Pick up your manna. Maybe your way to the graduation, it is through that certificate that you are starting with. Pick up your manna. Maybe your way to that big church, it is through that church in a tent. When it rains, you become frustrated. Pick up your manna. Maybe your way to a better place, to a better marriage, it is through that man that doesn't look like he will amount to anything. Maybe it is that man that doesn't even look clean. Pick up your manna. Do not miss your manna because you want the world to see the glamour. Let them see the manna let them not pick the manna, but you identify your manna and pick up your manna. Why do you want a cleaned guy? Why do you want a guy that is a CEO? Do you know where God is taking him? Do you know how God is going to change him? Young person, pick up your manna. Open your eyes and realize that as long as it's from God, I will pick up the manna even when it's on the ground. My God, who knows that your way to your prosperity, it is through that child that you know that somebody defiled me. They gave me a baby when I was not ready. Now I'm condemning myself. Look at that baby and say, you might be like a manna, a dropped manna for me. I will pick up my manna. I will nurture my baby. I will run with this child because I know that this child can be a blessing to me tomorrow. Stop condemning yourself. I was not supposed to have been pregnant. I was not supposed. It is already done. Pick up your manna. Who knows who that child is going to be tomorrow? My God, somebody pick up your manna. Somebody pick up your manna. In that house, pick up your manna. In your marriage, pick up your manna. Stop envying other men and say, maybe if I was married by that one, my marriage would be working. Maybe if he was going to church, my marriage would be working. Somebody pick up your manna. You don't know what God is protecting you from. You don't know why God is hiding that man. You don't